Dear all, wishing you very happy Akshay Tritiya, and on this auspicious day, we will start the um, Grantha as we discussed Raghavendra Vijaya. So before starting it, actually, we should know that who composed it, what is its significance. So Raghavendra Vijaya is all about the life history of Sri Rairu, that is Raghavendra Tirthuru. As we know that this group is only for the devotion of Rairu, so he is the hero here. And here this Grantha was composed by Sri Narayan Acharya. Narayan Acharya was the Purvashram son of Rairu's sister, that is his father's name was Lakshmi Narsimhacharya, and he was Purvashram Guru of Rairu when he was child, that is till his Upanayana he was the Guru. And this Narayan Acharya has made this Raghavendra Vijaya of 10 sargas, that is 10 parts. Actually it was made up of 16 parts earlier, but there is Sumadhva Vijaya which is also made up of 16 parts, and coincidence that is also made by Narayan Panditacharya. But this Narayan Acharya and that Narayan Panditacharya is different. He was from 12th century, that is at the time of Sri Madhvacharya. He has made a Sumadhva Vijaya of 16 sargas. So both Sumadhva Vijaya and Raghavendra Vijaya has very much significance, since both the Vijayas were made at the same time when these people were alive, that is when Madhvacharya was there. He had just left to the Badrik Ashrama, and after that Sumadhva Vijaya came out. And Raghavendra Vijaya is so important that it was approved by Rairu himself. So he was very much pleased with this Raghavendra Vijaya when Rairu went through this Raghavendra Vijaya. And what did he do? That he has immersed 6 sargas, that is 11 to 16 sargas into the river, saying that I should not be equal to Madhvacharya in any aspect. So it indicates his devotion to the Madhvacharya. So we'll quickly go through all the sargas, that what are the contents. That first sarga is about the Raghavendra Swamiji Guru Parampara of the poet, that is Narayan Acharya. He is praising all the gurus, and description about the Kumbhakon city. Then second sarga is about the Guru Parampara of Rairu. Third sarga is about the Purvashrama Vansha of Rairu, his Gotra, his ancestors, his birth. Then fourth sarga is about his Upanayana and pre-married life. Fifth sarga is about his marriage and married life. Sixth sarga is about his meeting with Sri Sudhindra Tirtha, that is his guru, and the knowledge of Sri Raghavendra Tirtha in Purvashrama, that is his name was Venkatnatha in Purvashrama. So his knowledge, then poverty faced by Sri Venkatnatha, then Sannyas Ashram acceptance by Venkatnatha, and his naming as Raghavendra Tirtha after Sannyas Ashram. That is about that's all is included in sixth sarga. Seventh and eighth sarga is about holy tour by Raghavendra Swamiji in all over India, that is Tirtha Yatra. Ninth and tenth sargas are about his daily routine.